Didn't get stuck this time. I didn't even spin out. Oh yeah, and he just hit a fucking tree. He hit a tree. He's got his wing. Oh, there he goes again. Oh yeah, we got a little snow. A little snow yesterday. Figured, you know, we got all this snow, better go for a drive. Oh, it's icy and crunchy. Film. Right, I have a cameraman. Woman. Check out these snowbanks. Oh, she's bumpy. See why the loader plowed in the load. Whoa. It's gonna be a long old drive, I think.
It's gonna be a bumpy videotape.
What?
I think it's gonna be a bumpy video.
Yeah. Look, we're on the middle line right now. This is the yellow line. They really blazed her back, that one. Here's the edge of the road right there. Oh, the main road's worse. No better, right? It's not that bad, though. Jeez, the brakes are working good today. I think they're a little frozen. Well, there, I just got a free lens cleaning. I had it in my pocket, and I forgot my pocket was damp. Anyways, thought I'd give you a little more of an update of what's going on today. I'm getting buff, I'll tell you that. A lot of shoveling going on. I got a foot of snow. I might have mentioned it before, I don't know, but we got a foot of snow here, which isn't too bad. But up north of us there, up in PEI, the next province up, they got 80 centimeters, which is almost 3 feet. That's a lot of friggin' snow. But I broke this, of course, when the storm started. I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but see that pulley has tape, duct tape on it. Well, the belt was the wrong belt and kind of slack, so to make it work, I put some tape on it. It worked for a few minutes, but then, well, actually, it worked for a little while, quite a little while, but then the belt broke. I haven't got around to getting another one yet, but hopefully I can find the right size this time and won't have this issue anymore, hopefully. But other than that, can't knock this old fucking thing, I can tell you that. It's a good old snowblower, other than the deep packy, the really, really packy snow clogs, but I think any snowblower would. But speaking of blowers, I also fixed this right here. This was the blower out of my truck that was giving me so many troubles for so long. See little chips out of it from where I was beating on it with the crowbar. But anyways, I grabbed the one out of the other truck and popped this one in. It took me like a friggin' hour. They're a real pain in the ass. The bolts in the back are really hard to get to. There's not a lot of room. I cut my hand like 2 or 3 times, which was just wonderful. But I got it done, so at least that's fixed. I also got the wiper mechanism. I took that out. But it turns out that the part that's broken on mine is also broken on this. It's been fixed. So I think I'm just gonna fix the one on mine. I'll just do the same thing as this. I'll just jam a fucking dirty old hose clamp or two on there, and you know, Bob's your uncle. But I'll keep that one just in case. I'm gonna start grabbing a few parts that I want off that. There's an alternator, a couple other things, you know, I figure I should grab before I send the thing to the boneyard and get rid of everything else that I'm going to sell off of it. But yeah, other than that, not too much going on out here in the shop. The old plow, she was a good idea, but I think I would have been better off trying to mount it to the cooking Kia. Even though it's narrow, I would have got a hell of a lot more done. This tractor just can't push nothing. And with the snow we got this year, it don't work. This snowblower is the only thing that works for me. Luckily, I've had my neighbor keeps coming over because it's the only time he gets to really have fun with his four-wheeler. And even he wasn't having the most fun getting through my driveway the last day or two because, or time or two, because it's getting so high. I mean, I got 4-foot banks on either side of my driveway, so this thing's, at least it can throw the snow up and over it, but or it could. Hopefully it'll actually throw a little better because it wasn't throwing the snow so good, so I figure that might be why. But that pulley reminds me of a rotor tiller engine pulley because it's a double pulley. I don't know. I guess if I get out of the light you might see it better, but yeah, that pulley there. Because it wears through the cover plate, the end of the shaft. But I don't know. Fuck knows. Either way, you know, it works. I just need another belt, and I can't put a bigger pulley on there. So I don't know. It works. And yes, I will be getting to this soon. I haven't had the time and other issues going. The tractor tire is not a high priority. I do want to get it done, but I got to get 100 other things done. I got to get my truck fixed so I can actually start driving it again. But without wipers or a blower, I couldn't even drive it. And right now the roads are so bad I can't drive it anyways. Even with good tires, I'm not going to be getting around easy, that's for sure. But you can see my garage is just a mess. Friggin' snow everywhere, because when I take the snowblower out I just leave the garage door open. But I can sweep this out, I just haven't got around to it. Hard to get motivated when, you know, you're shoveling. But I'll tell you, by the time this winter's over, I'm going to be a fucking Hulk. Anyways, boys, this is Ghetto Hillbilly from the Winter Wonderland. And hopefully next time you hear from me it'll be tropical and nice, but considering it's supposed to snow some more, probably not. Anyways guys, talk to you later. Peace out.